Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of La Georgia Creation Designs. I am coming to you ladies and gentlemen today with another It's For Y'all swap reveal. This swap reveal will be number 6. The artist that I am going to be featuring today, her name is Ameena Mcclan. First of all, I want to say, Ameena, thank you so very much, Queen, for participating in this swap and allowing yourself to showcase and use your gifts and talents, and also for being a blessing to one of the queens here in the group. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I have already opened up her package. Came in a yellow envelope, and she has 3 entries that one of you queens will be receiving. So she has 3, and I'm going to start off with this one first. She has it wrapped really nice in tissue paper. Oh wow, these are cute. These are some feathered earrings, and these are gorgeous. Feathered earrings, y'all. Feather earrings never go out of style. They have their trends where they come in and then they go out, but these are gorgeous. You did an awesome, awesome job, Ameena, on these earrings. These are beautiful. I love the colors. Everything that I have been getting in is definitely It's For Y'all swaps. It definitely goes with that. Definitely. These colors are gorgeous. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. So this is her first one. And I also want to say thank you to everyone who have been watching these reviews. I greatly appreciate it. I mean reveals. I'm sorry, y'all. These reveals. Thank y'all for all the support that you show the queens here when they do these swaps. We greatly appreciate each and every one of you. So I'm going to open up number 2, which is this one right here. Oh, these are beautiful. Wow, look at these. This is kind of it's kind of like a boho style earring, but it's like this is thinking completely outside of the box. These are gorgeous. Y'all, like I said before a couple days ago, y'all are going to have a pair of earrings to wear every day after we finish with these swaps. I don't know if we'll ever be finished with these swaps, but because I really enjoy doing these swaps, showcasing y'all beautiful work. This is excellent, excellent pair of earrings, Ameena. So that's the second entry. And everybody has been so generous. Y'all sending 2 and 3 entries at a time. That's a beautiful thing, y'all. Beautiful thing. And we're going to get to her final entry. Okay. And that's this one right here. And I love how she wrapped, every one of these were wrapped in bubble wrap to protect them. This is gorgeous. This paper right here, gorgeous. Oh, wow. Look at these babies. Wow. These are beautiful, Ameena. Gorgeous. gorgeous. This is definitely thinking outside of the box. So like I said, you ladies are going to be getting some really awesome, and I'm hoping that y'all can really see the details on this. This is definitely different. I love the fabric that she made these out of. Definitely nice, beautiful. Definitely. So, Ameena, I want to say thank you so much, Queen, for participating in this swap. We greatly appreciate you for participating and being generous. Since this is your very first time doing this swap, very generous. Okay, y'all, if I have any information on Miss Ameena, I will definitely make sure that I leave everything, all her information, down in the description box. If not, I will put my information down in the description box so that you can reach her through me, okay? I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. And if you are new to my channel, please hit the all bell button that is on the side. Please like and share and give this video a thumbs up. Have a wonderful and awesome day, everyone. Peace and blessings. See ya.